much time do you have? I have 1 hour. How much water do you drink in the morning? I drink 1 glass. How much milk do you use for tea? I use a little milk. How much coffee do you drink every day? I drink 2 cups. How much sugar do you take in your coffee? I take 1 spoon. How much money do you spend here? I spend $5.
How much work do you have today? I have 4 tasks. How much time do you need to finish it? I need 2 hours. How much effort do you give to your studies? I give my best effort. How much rice do you buy? I buy 2 kilos. How much bread do you need? I need 1 loaf. How much juice do you want? I want 1 bottle. How much rice do you eat? I eat 1 plate. How much water do you drink with lunch? I drink 2 glasses. How much curry do you take? I take a little curry. How much exercise do you do daily? I do 1 hour. How much energy do you have now? I have a lot of energy. How much water do you drink after exercise? I drink 1 bottle.
How much pain do you feel? I feel a little pain. How much medicine do you take daily? I take 2 tablets. How much rest do you need? I need a lot of rest. How much is the room per night? It is $50. How much luggage do you have? I have 2 bags. How much time will you stay here? I will stay for 3 days.